Hello, friends. Adobe Stock is a website where you can sell your own or AI-generated photos. Yes, that's right, you can also sell AI-generated images. All the images you see on this screen have been generated by AI and are selling for very good prices. In this tutorial, discover how you can make a profit online with the help of free AI tools. I'll guide you through the process of monetizing your AI-generated images. We'll explore two methods, one using a premium AI tool and the other completely free. Before you start this process, it's important to decide what kind of images you aim to produce and sell. While it may be tempting to generate random images or designs related to your passions, we will take a strategic approach. We will conduct market research and identify the trending and best-selling images. This way, we will be able to replicate their success. Let's get started. Taking a look at this AI-generated image of a businesswoman, it serves as a prime example. It's a hit on this platform, commands a good price, and underscores the potential of AI-created images in the market, even making it to the popular section. Now that we have our benchmark, let's delve into the first approach. As I mentioned earlier, the first method leverages a premium AI image creation platform named Midjourney. Sadly, it's no longer complimentary. Their starter package is priced at $10 monthly or $8 if billed annually. Crucially, this comes with a commercial license, essential for those looking to commercialize their creations. Trust me, Midjourney is well worth the investment. Midjourney runs on Discord, so let's open Discord. I created my own private Midjourney server earlier to keep things organized. I left the link in the description. Follow the steps as I did. When we get to the official Midjourney server, make sure the member list is open and then look for the Midjourney bot. Click on that bot and then click on Add to Server. Now do what I did and make sure to add it to your Discord server. Once you're done with that, go back to the server. In the right corner, you'll see the newly added Midjourney bot. Alright, let's get started. Instead of manually crafting the prompts to generate images, we'll allow Midjourney to do the heavy lifting. Here's how it's done. Simply type /describe followed by a space. You'll notice a designated area pop up. This is where you'll drag and drop your chosen images from Adobe Stock. So head over to Adobe Stock, select your image, and drag it right into Midjourney's designated area, then hit enter. What's happening now is the Midjourney bot processing the input. It's analyzing the image to discern the most apt prompts to describe it. And voila! It suggests 4 spot-on prompts. Let's bring these descriptions to life by clicking on Imagine All. Give it a few moments and I'll fast forward this part for your convenience. And there you have it. Aren't the results simply breathtaking? Next, let's enhance the resolution of our favorite images. To do so, click on your chosen image and then select Open in Browser. From there, it's as simple as right-clicking to save the image directly to your device. These are the visuals we'll be listing for sale online. Shifting gears to our second strategy, I'll introduce you to a no-cost AI image generator to jumpstart your venture in selling AI-driven images. If you recall, I previously made an extensive video highlighting the top free AI image generators available. Among them, Leonardo AI stands out. What sets Leonardo AI apart is the inclusion of a commercial license for every image, paving the way for you to commercialize and profit from your creations. Alright, time to dive into Leonardo AI. Either sign up or, if you already have an account like I do, simply log in. Once inside, you'll need to choose an image model. This particular one should suffice for our needs. There's a text box awaiting your prompt, and given that our goal is to create something akin to that Adobe Stock image, we need a fitting description. Now, I'll confess, I'm taking a shortcut. I'm copying the prompt that Midjourney provided and pasting it straight into Leonardo AI's prompt section. After entering the prompt, just hit Generate. And there we have it. To save them, simply click on Download. So now that we've got all the AI-generated images, all we have to do now is upload these images so they can be sold on stock websites. And because there are a myriad of different image stock websites where we can sell our images, we will upload them on all of those sites. You know, we want to expand our chances of selling our images, so that's the best way to do it. But wait, are we really going to upload each image on each website separately? And for each image on each website, we will also add captions and keywords. That would take hours and hours, if not days or even months. There must be a better way, and yes, you're in luck, because there is a better way of uploading your images to all websites at once. We're going to use Wirestock for that. Alright, let's put our images. Head over to the Wirestock website and either sign up using your email or simply link your Google account. Once logged in, you'll find an Upload option on the top right corner. Select it, then opt for Computer, and upload our images. Oops, seems like we've encountered a few issues due to the resolution of our images being a tad low. No worries though, we can rectify that. Simply click on Upscale for each image to enhance their resolution. Perfect. There they are in higher quality. Remember to check the box to indicate that these are AI-generated images. Next, we'll need to fill out some requisite details, append a signature, and hit Save. There's an option to add supplementary information, but it's not mandatory. Once everything's in order, click on Post. Your images will be simultaneously uploaded to approximately 10 distinct stock platforms. Look at these works of art. There's no reason why they shouldn't make money. Now let's take the Leonardo AI images. Follow the same upload process, but the resolution of our Leonardo AI images seems to be quite low, so much so that Wirestock cannot upscale them. Don't fret though, I know of a free tool that can help us upgrade these images effortlessly. We go to this website and upload the images we want to upscale. Don't forget to select the image type photo. Click Integrate into all images below and use the upscaled images in Wirestock. Alright, now let's take a look at the Wirestock image generator. Click on Generate. Now we will be asked to enter a command. I'm going to reuse the Midjourney command from earlier. There is an option to choose a specific style, but it's not mandatory. I'll set the orientation to horizontal and then hit the Generate button. Wow, this result is outstanding. I'm really impressed. You can download it directly, or you can choose Upscale and Post. Although for the second option, just click and select Post again. It's done in one fell swoop. Let's visit our portfolio again. It's shaping up quite nicely, isn't it? Here's a tip. Consider uploading stock images as part of your daily routine. Think of this whole endeavor as building a retirement fund. By constantly adding new images, you gradually strengthen your asset collection. The larger your collection, the higher the potential for recurring revenue. That's it. With these steps, you are well on your way to building a significant visual asset repository, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next millionaire or flashy trillionaire. Until next time, see you in the next video.